Have you ever looked at something so massive, so ambitious, and thought, how on earth did they build that? That's exactly what I think every time I see the Hoover Dam, a concrete giant standing tall in the Nevada desert, holding back the mighty Colorado River. Now, let's rewind to the 1930s. The Great Depression had hit America hard. Jobs were scarce, people were desperate, and the West was struggling with brutal droughts and unpredictable floods. Something had to change. Enter the Hoover Dam. A project so big it seemed impossible at the time. Picture this. Thousands of workers, many risking everything for a paycheck, flocked to a barren patch of desert. No shade, brutal heat temperatures soared above 120 degrees. Yet these folks were determined. They blasted through Black Canyon, funneled the roaring Colorado, and poured more concrete than had ever been used in one place before. Fun fact, if you poured all that concrete in a single go, it would have taken over a century to cool. So, they built an elaborate system of pipes and refrigeration to speed up the process. Pure engineering genius. But the dam wasn't just about taming water, it was about powering dreams. The Hoover Dam brought electricity to Los Angeles and much of the Southwest, lighting up homes, businesses, and even the neon signs of Las Vegas. It turned wild river torrents into a source of life, irrigation, and opportunity. Let's talk about the scale for a second. The dam stretches 726 feet high, taller than a 60-story building and nearly 1,300 feet across the canyon. And the reservoir it creates, Lake Mead, is the largest in the country. All of this built by hand with grit and sweat and no guarantee of success. But the Hoover Dam is more than concrete and steel. It's a monument to American ambition and resilience. In a time of crisis, it put thousands to work, sparked hope, and quite literally powered the growth of the American West. Its Art Deco design is a reminder that even the toughest projects can have a touch of beauty. Today, nearly a century later, the Hoover Dam is still standing strong, generating power, providing water, and drawing millions of visitors who come to marvel at what humanity can achieve when we refuse to back down from a challenge. So next time you flip a light switch or see a city shining in the desert, remember the power that built America and the people who made it possible. That's the story of the Hoover Dam, not just an engineering marvel but a symbol of hope, determination, and the enduring spirit of a nation.